Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can get Binance points. So first, let's start by knowing what is the introduction to rewards. So the Binance points. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can earn Binance points. So let's start with the introduction to rewards. So the Binance points are loyalty rewards that you earn by trading and participating in activities on Binance. So they can be redeemed for exclusive benefits, trading fee discounts, merchandise, and special events access. So points expire after a certain period, so use them wisely. So trade to earn points. So here are the trading activities. So to earn points by trading spot, futures or margin on Binance. So the more you trade, the more points you accumulate, and higher trading volumes results in more points. So you have to check your trading dashboard regularly to track your points earnings from transactions. Now you can also complete tasks and missions. So participate in Binance campaigns, promotional events, and daily check-ins to earn points or earn bonus points. So you can complete learning modules, quizzes, and surveys in the Binance Academy. You can also join trading competitions and Launchpad events for extra point rewards. Now, there's also a referral program, so you can invite friends. So you can earn points by inviting friends to join Binance using your referral code rather. So you get rewards when they sign up and complete their first trade, and both you and your friend receive points. So the more active referrals, the more points you accumulate over time. And lastly is by staking and holding. So earn points through staking crypto, participating in Binance Earn products, and holding BNB in your account. So locked staking often provides more points than flexible savings. So you just have to check the rewards hub regularly to see available point earning opportunities and special promotions. So that's pretty much it. Those are the Binance Rewards guide. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!